Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to get a student discount on HP laptops and save money on your next purchase. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit the HP Student Store. Open your Google Chrome or any browser and type HP Student Store in the search bar and hit enter. Scroll down and find the official HP Student Store link. Make sure the URL is from the hp.com. Click on it and access HP's exclusive education discount program. Step 2. Create an HP Education account. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Enter your school and email address. Must be a valid .edu or official student email. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Provide any required student verification details, such as school ID if requested. Step 3. Browse exclusive students discounts. Once verified, you'll get access to HP Student Store. Browse discounted laptops like HP Spectra, which is the premium design and performance, HP Envy, great for students and professionals, HP Pavilion, budget-friendly and reliable, HP Omen, which is gaming laptops for students who game. Look for additional students offers such as free accessories or extended warranties. Step 4 is to complete your purchase. Select the laptop you want and add it to your cart. The student discount should automatically apply to checkout. Choose your payment method and complete your purchase. And that's about it. That's how you can get student discount on HP laptop and save money. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.